So this one, fairly easy. You'll master it in 5-10 minutes. So what you're gonna do is you don't need the full deck, just 21 cards, so count out 21. You can shuffle before you count them or after, or both. You or the spectator can choose it. So what you're gonna do is after you shuffle and get out the 21 cards, you're gonna say pick a random card. Let's just say I picked this one. I'm gonna need to know it, so if I wasn't alone, if there was someone with me, I wouldn't know. But since I'm just demonstrating it, your card is the the Queen of Hearts, sorry. So what you're gonna do is just, once they're done memorizing it, they're gonna put them back in the deck. And then you can shuffle again, you or the spectator, or both, as long as they get shuffled again. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go like 1, 2, 3, and then just tell them to tell you which pile their card is in. So this is the pile that it's in. So you sandwich it in between the other two decks. So you saw this was the one. There were 3 decks. This is the one that it was in. I put this one on top of this one and then on top of that one. So I sandwiched the one that it was in between 2 other piles. So then you're going to do it again. So it's in this one. So you're going to tell them, they're going to tell you it's in this pile. So you're going to sandwich it. And then you do this just one more time. And this is the pile. And then they're going to tell you it's in this pile. So you sandwich it. It doesn't matter which ones you sandwich in between, as long as it gets in between 2 different piles. So then this is the part where you guess the card. So you're going to count out 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and that is your card. This card trick is a little bit harder, but still really easy. So what you do is when you're done shuffling, or the spectator, doesn't matter who, just once someone is done shuffling, you take the cards back from them or you just start dealing. So what you do is you make 2 piles of 26. You make half of the deck. So count out 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. And then you fix the deck, and then you ask them, the spectator, which deck do you want to cut? Let's just say they choose this one. They cut a random amount. Then just tell them to put it off to the side, or you can, doesn't matter. Take the deck they didn't cut. You can shuffle to really sell the deal that their card is going to be truly random. So once you're done shuffling, or the other person, you can give it to the spectator. So you just tell them, pick a card. Let's just say they chose that one, if someone was actually here. I'm not going to look. This is proof, just to actually do it. This is your card. Okay, this is your card. I have no idea what it is, but I'm going to figure it out soon. So what you do is you take the deck that you were just handling, put it on top. And what you're going to do is you're going to do that. And then it'll look like you're actually shuffling it. But what you're going to do is keep their card at the bottom, so the trick will work. So if you move their card like somewhere else in the deck, It'll mess up the whole trick. So what you're gonna do is just put it like that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take top and bottom cards at the same time, put them in a new deck. So you're just gonna do that until there's no cards left in your hand. And sometimes there will just be one left over because there's an odd amount of cards. That's fine. That happens a lot. So what you're gonna do is just place it on top because there's no card to go with it. So like that, like this, there's one card left over. You're gonna put that just there, fix the deck. And what you're going to do is, just place that to the side. Take the cards you put away earlier, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 11 cards here. So you take this deck, you count out 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that is your card. This one, it's pretty simple, but sometimes you can grab more than one cards. I did that while I was showing someone, and it confused them and messed up the whole trick. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna look through the deck beforehand, get the black 9s and the black 6s. This will make sense later. You can't get the red ones, only the black 9s and 6s, nothing else. So there, I have all 4 black 9s and 6s. So to prepare, you're gonna take, they have to be opposite suits, so it has to be spade with club for each. So what you're gonna do, doesn't matter which, let's just say I put the 9 at the bottom, 6 at the top. And then you're just gonna put the pair of 2 on top. What you're gonna do is you're gonna say, I have a black 9 and a black 6. So I'm gonna put them random spot in the deck, just a random spot, and with magic, I am going to pull them out. There you go. Black 9 and black 6. This might be a better angle. So, what I did was I didn't actually pull them out of the deck. What I did is I pulled the top and the bottom ones so that it gave the illusion that I actually yanked them out of the deck. So, I can show you again in this angle, because it might be a little bit better. So, I have club 9 and spade 6. You're gonna put 9 or the 6 at the bottom or the top. It doesn't matter which, as long as you have the black 9 and the black 6. So you're not gonna show them the bottom. Sometimes you might. If you show them just a little bit of the club, it doesn't matter, like suit. Doesn't matter, as long as they don't know the number. So then you put the 6 and the 9 on top. So I have a black 6 and a black 9. I am going to put them randomly in the deck. And with magic, I am going to pull them out of the deck. There you go. That's it. Super easy, super quick. It doesn't take too much to set up. You just make sure that it's always the black 9s and the black 6s. And they have to be different suits. It can't be club 6 and club 9, spade 6 and spade 9. It has to be spade with club and club with spade. If it's the same, they're gonna figure it out. But don't completely show them that it's 6 spade and 9 club. If you do that, it messes up because then they're gonna know it's different cards. But if you're just like, I have black 6, black 9, I'm gonna put them in randomly. They don't know what suit is which or what suits even are on it. They just know that it's black and it's a 9 or 6. So if you completely show them, they're gonna memorize it, and it's gonna mess up. So that is 2 really easy card tricks that I learned easy, and you can too. Thanks for watching.